Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel FinStop, the one-stop destination for stock market and financial planning. Friends, today I'm here to bring you an excellent opportunity for taking a swing trade on one of your favorite pharma stock, Aurobindo Pharma Limited. It is an Indian pharmaceutical manufacturing company which is headquartered in Hi-Tech City, Hyderabad. The company manufactures generic pharmaceuticals and active pharmaceutical ingredients. In the past 1 year, Aurobindo stock has been given negative returns of minus 23.41%. If you see its past 5 years performance, the stock has given negative returns of minus 11.47%. But from March 25th, 2020 COVID lows to May 26th, 2021, the stock has given excellent returns of 268%. After giving such good returns, the stock has continuously falling. It has fallen by almost 40%. So guys, why the stock is falling? And you might be in the dilemma whether to buy, hold or sell the stock. So guys, in this video, let us see the main reasons for the stock fall, and there is one latest news about this stock guys. And also, let us analyze this stock technically, and in the end, I am going to give you levels and targets for taking a swing trade. Before going further, I would request you to watch my playlist of multi-bagger stocks, stock market for beginners and mutual funds. Also, please follow us on Telegram channel. You can find important updates on daily basis. Also, please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The links are in the description box. Please don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for all important notifications. Now let's come back to the topic. There is one important latest news about this stock guys. That is, on yesterday, November 18, 2021, the panel has met to take up applications seeking nod for antiviral medication Molnupiravir. The subject expert committee of India's drug regulator will be examining the applications. It has been said that the firms whose applications will be taken up are Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, which has filed for approval in consortium with 5 other companies, and MSD, Hetero Labs, Natco Pharma and Aurobindo Pharma. So guys, if Aurobindo Pharma gets the approval, it can improve its revenue in coming days. Guys, now let's see the main reasons for the stock fall. The first main reason is COVID second wave. Due to this, the supply chain were disrupted and this has been clearly reflected in the results. I have opened consolidated profit and loss statement. Here you can see that the revenue has decreased 8.4% on year-on-year basis, and if you see its quarter-on-quarter basis, it has improved by 4.2%. But if you see the profits, which is highlighted below, on year-on-year basis, net profits were fallen by minus 14%, and on quarter-on-quarter basis, it has decreased by minus 9.5%. The decrease in the profits is mainly due to the increase in the expenses cost for the changes in the inventory of finished goods, stock in trade and work in progress. It was almost doubled compared to the June quarter. Guys, another main reason is the shares pledging by promoters. Here you can see that the total promoter holding has decreased from 52.01% to 51.83%, and the pledging, which is highlighted in yellow, has increased from 3.21% to 11.91%. Friends, if any promoter pledges their own shares, it creates negative sentiment for the investors, and it is clearly shown here. The foreign investors has decreased their stake from 24.99% in December 2020 to 21.71% in September quarter. So guys, COVID pandemic coupled with increase in the expenses has impacted its profits, and also the company's own promoters are pledging the shares has downgraded the stock price. So that is why the stock has fallen by almost 40% by now. As the stock is available at almost 40% discounted price, it is an excellent opportunity for you guys, for both long-term investors and for swing traders. So let us analyze the stock technically by using charts. Friends, I am using Zerodha for the chart analysis. If you want to open a Demat account through Zerodha, the link is in the description box. Here you can see I opened Aurobindo Pharma 1-day chart. The stock is presently trading at the level of 640.85. If you look at its relative strength index RSI, it is very weak and it is presently at the level of 31.56 and it is going towards oversold zone. If you see its MACD indicator, it has already given bearish crossover signal. It can be more bearish in coming days. And if you see its volumes, there has been huge selling in the last session. And the stock is presently trading below all the moving averages: 20-day moving average, 50-day moving average, 100-day moving average and 200-day moving average. This indicates that the stock is in very bearish mode. If this bearishness continues, it can take the first support at the level of 600. If it becomes more bearish, it has got second support at 540. But guys, there is more chances for the stock to consolidate near the levels of 600 to 650 and it can give bounce back, thereby starting a fresh rally, or else it can be more bearish. It can come down to the levels of 540 and it can consolidate there for a while and it can start a fresh rally and it can bounce back to the levels of 700, 750 and it can go even beyond 800 plus levels. So guys, now let's see some levels and targets for taking a swing trade. The buy levels are level 1 600, level 2 575, level 3 540. The targets are target 1 680, target 2 720, target 3 800. And you can keep the stop loss at 520 and the time period you have to hold is 2 to 6 months for achieving these targets. Friends, please be patient and invest your amount partially at each and every buy levels and also at each and every dip and at support levels of 600 and 540 and hold it for at least 2 to 6 months for achieving these targets. Guys, Aurobindo Pharma is an excellent stock with good fundamentals. As economy is reviving and COVID restrictions were removed, company can post good profit numbers in the coming quarters. And also, technically, it is becoming oversold zone and if it is available at the buy levels, it is an excellent opportunity for you guys, for both long-term investors and for swing traders, to get at least 30% to 40% profits in just 2 to 6 months. This is all about Aurobindo Pharma, guys. I will come up with another interesting stock in coming days. If you have any doubts, please write in the commentary box. A small disclaimer guys, the levels, targets and recommendations are only for educational purpose. Please do your own research and consult your financial advisor before taking any investment decision. If you like my explanation, please like, share, comment and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you friends.